Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Little Genius Lab. Today, magnetic magic, an invisible force you can see. Ready, little geniuses? Step 1. Place a white sheet of paper. Sprinkle iron filings or tiny pins on top. Keep fingers safe. Ask an adult to supervise. Step 2. Slide a strong magnet under the paper. Keep it flat. No need to touch the filings. Step 3. Slowly move the magnet around. Watch closely. Wow, the filings are dancing and forming invisible lines. Those lines are magnetic field lines. Magnets create invisible fields that can move objects without touching. Amazing, right? Allah placed unseen forces in His creation, gravity, magnetism, and more. The Qur'an, and He is the one who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, all are swimming in an orbit. Anti 21:33. Knowledge is a trust. Share it kindly. Use science for good. Do not cause harm. Did you enjoy magnetic magic? Like, subscribe, and share. Which experiment should I try next? Tell me in the comments.